go into Home Depot. I'm just going to show you some things you should not buy right now. Do not buy this. You can buy an entire package of lettuce seed, like 100 seeds, for $3. It's gonna bolt almost immediately. Be better off to just buy lettuce at the grocery store. If you're in a place where you're past frost, don't buy this. This is gonna bolt. It'll never turn into broccoli. This is cabbage. This should have been planted in the garden in January. It's almost May. If you're in a place where it's past frost state, do not buy cabbage. Not worth it. I wouldn't buy tomatoes here, but if you're going to, don't buy this. $20. Too mature to up pot at this point. Probably not gonna get $20 of tomatoes off of this. Unless you are extremely dedicated to taking care of strawberries, do not buy a tiny pot of strawberries. These things are going to fry in the sun. Do not buy this. This costs $5.78. This is not its season. This grows in the cool season. We're past frost, bolt almost immediately. Do not do that. Another $5.78. Do not buy this. It's $5.50 for 2 baby cucumbers. Buy the seed pack. Do not buy this. This is $20, $19.98 for 4 bush beans. You can buy a package of bush bean seeds for like $3, like 50 bush bean seeds. I don't even know why we need this thing. You're paying mostly for the pot and the soil.